Today's my birthday. It's May 10th. I'm going back into the grind of things. I haven't posted in a long time. I haven't just been on the grind on consistently posting and getting better with my cinematography and getting better with my filmography. Right now, it's my birthday, right? But I'm tweaking out because I feel like I'm not just like pushing my career out there. I'm not pushing it. The series is getting a halt. I'm supposed to look irresistible. Not yet. That's the thing. I love the series so much. Like, you don't understand, the series is about the fact that someone can be on the lowest and they could go to the highest. Just like switching something in your brain that you are just negating it out. Like, you are doing the constant, like, chirping your mind. Your mind is just like getting back into the habits, getting back into the habits, bad habits. And it's leading you to nowhere, and you're just putting yourself into a halt, and that just sucks. You don't progress, and you stay there for a minute. And I like talking about this in the video. I like cinematography. I just like getting big. I'm just a maniac today. I'm a maniac today, and I'm gonna vibe out. The gyms are closed because I was lacking in my studies. I was lacking in my workplace. I was lacking in my duties. Look where it led me. You see this? It's not the end though. The thing about being a human is that we have grit, self-discipline, and consistency. So I'm gonna keep on doing this, even though I don't want to do this. I do want to do this, but it's like, I don't want to do this. I should be doing this when I don't want to do this. Those are the days that matter of just doing what like I need to do. This is it. For real. God is good. Oh, yeah. Come on. 3, 2,
So, what do I want to talk about? I want to talk about the inconsistency I've been doing, man. I'm not gonna lie to you, I've been inconsistent very much. And I just want to say, like, this is just the beginning of my age of 21, my birthday. I just gotta just focus on just hardening all of this and also this. This is okay. Honestly, this is okay. Honestly, being fat is not okay. Being fat is not okay. No, being fat is not okay though. So I'm about to show you that anything in this fucking world is possible. I'm gonna take this bodybuilding shit and this filmmaking shit and combine them both and make them like, you know, a masterpiece. Because honestly, this is called Cooked to Irresistible series. And honestly, I'm pretty cool with it. It's progress, man. I'm not like disappointed in myself at all today. I pushed myself to like, let's just say 95%. But the next day I would do 100%. And the next day I would do 110%. Actually, we did like 75%. But that's just the point. Like, I'm gonna give 100% every freaking time now. And I always think I give 100%, but you already know you can give more than that. So this right here is like a 75% type of physique, or 65% actually. 65% physique. You know what I mean? 75% del cuerpo. So, I'm just gonna lock in the diet, lock in my training, progress through that, and give myself credit where it's due. Because I'm here, I'm putting the effort. I'm putting the effort of doing this too. So, this is all it's all about, man. You know what I mean? Oh. It's very fucking late. But yeah, I'm done. So that's basically it for today. The lighting over here is good though. Like right here. Nah, it looks crap. We gotta get there. We just gotta keep working, keep grinding, money-wise, physique-wise. Yeah, bro, my eyes are fucking bloodshot. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I gotta lock it the fuck in, bro. Come on. All right. Anyways, yeah, no more yapping, brother. See you later.